for workers. This isn't enforceable.
Inside of the house.
They can't enforce their laws, it doesn't work.
Doggy
This
seems pretty
agreement allows
comfortable.
either party to stop the appointment of an arbitrator. So you and I have a dispute, we can't come to an agreement, we need an arbitrator.
Master bedroom, everything's fine. Kind of dark in here.
This is not going to speed it up, and in the meantime, the
Kitchen.
product that's produced in violation of the agreement continues to come into the country.
Everything
We
fine.
think it ought to be stopped at the border. So those are the three.
I was going to say, congratulations, you got your 3 points. Let's turn to China. You say that the president is right to take on China, but he's not going about it the right
Patio,
way.
backyard,
Briefly,
puppy. Go ahead, puppy. Go ahead outside. Go ahead. Everything's fine here. Today is Sunday. Storm is supposed to hit tomorrow. Got everything buttoned down. Got a fence around the whole yard. Everything in good condition. Got shutters on the windows back here. Everything's in good condition. Roof, great shape. Doggy in good shape. Yeah, he likes it here in the yard. Yep, Damon is a war dog. Served in the Air Force for 7 years. Served in Afghanistan. Protected American troops. And my last insurance company found out I had a German Shepherd. They said dangerous breed. Canceled my insurance. Here's your dangerous breed right here. There's your dangerous breed. Yeah, dangerous. Bunch of scumbags. Damon served this country for 7 years. You should give him a medal and give me a discount on my insurance. Anyhow, everything's in good shape. So recording it so nobody tries to weasel out of anything.